All right, section 4.3, quadratic functions and their properties. We have 10 questions here. The first one wants us to list the following intercepts of the following equation. And so just recall, when we're doing intercepts, we have to substitute 0 for x or y. So we have x squared minus 16. All right, so we're going to find the y-intercept first, which means x equals 0. All right, so if x is 0, I'll just cover it up. You can see that we get y equals negative 16. All right, so we get y-intercept for free, no work. 0 and negative 16 is our ordered pair. If we do the x-intercept, we substitute a 0 for y this time, and we get 0 equals x squared minus 16. All right, so we have to add 16 to both sides. So you're basically taking the 16, moving over here, it becomes positive. So then you have 16 equals x squared. And then you got to take the square root of both sides. And when you take the square root of a number, you have to add the plus or minus. And then here you'll get two answers, positive or negative 4 equals your x value. So here you get two ordered pairs. You will get 4, 0, and negative 4, 0. So this gives us our two intercepts. So we got 3 altogether. So we got a y-intercept of 0, negative 16. We get x-intercept of 4, 0, and an x-intercept of negative 4, 0. Okay, so number 2, we want to know if this graph opens up or down. It says it opens up, and it wants us to verify if that is true or false. Okay, so with quadratic equations, we have two forms. We have standard form, and we have vertex form. All right, both cases will give you the same result. Standard form is a x squared plus bx plus c. Vertex form is a times the quantity, in parentheses, x minus h, quantity squared plus k. In both situations, to determine if this opens up, we're focused on this a value. That is the number that is in front of x squared in standard form, or it would be the coefficient out front of the parentheses in vertex form. If a is positive, your parabola opens up, makes this U shape. If a is negative, opens down and makes an N shape. So up, U, down, N, negative, works that way. So in this problem here, we have standard form. We have 4 out front, and it is positive, so this will open up. It says it opens up, so that is true.